Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get face tracking on Roblox. So just click on three dot first of all, and now go to in settings on app. Now click on privacy. You may go, and in privacy, to get face tracking you just need to enable this camera input from here. Just click on it, and now you just need to enable this second permission, which is a use camera to animate your avatar with the movement. Just click on this toggle button to enable and disable it. Click on enable to enable it. Once you enable it, guys, now you can animate your avatar with your movement by using on your camera. So now just need to open any game, and if you're not being able to see the this camera input from in privacy, it might be due to if you have outdated Roblox, because it can be happen because this face tracking feature is only available on the updated Roblox. So make sure to update your Roblox app. Now just open any game that supports camera as an input. Now you just need to look for any empty stand that's or you just need to enable. Now if you want to basically I just jump into another video topic. So if you want to enable voice face tracking, you just need to click on this video icon over avatar's head. As you can see, just click on it, and boom, you will get this face tracking on Roblox. Fine. So this is how you can enable face tracking, and this green dot indicates that Roblox is using a camera. So make sure to enable it, guys. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye. And that's how you can enable your face tracking.